Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. Welcome to my channel. For those of you new, please subscribe, hit that bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it and share with your friends because all those things really help my channel and I really appreciate you. Alright, so today we are doing a little Easter box. This is so sweet. I haven't made one this size in so long and I thought it was so sweet. I really wanted to use this chocolate bunny and what is inside this is some Reese's miniatures and it fits 4 perfectly right here, but you can put anything in here. You could put jelly beans, M&Ms, Easter eggs, anything like that in it, but it fits the Reese's miniatures and I really wanted to make these and I just got a bag of these. So this is what we're going to use for this. And I am using the Excellent Egg Bundle. You've seen me use this before. I'm also using this. This is a bundle in our spring catalog. So you can get this by saving 10% if you get them both together, the Excellent Egg dies and the Excellent Egg stamp set. And then I am using the Be Mine, and I'm using this just for this little flower right here because I really wanted to use that. And then I'm using the heart, and this is gonna be for the leaves. So that's all I'm using for this, and the paper because I wanted to use gingham so bad, and it is from the Be Mine Designer Series paper, and it's this one right here. So it's the back of this one. Yeah, that's what I'm using for this. You can use any of the backs of this. They're all so cute. These little flowers are so cute, but there's so much that you can do with that paper. I love that paper. It's like one of my very favorite. The sizes of everything you're going to need, and if you are new, all of this will be on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. You can go there. You can print the inspiration sheet, and you can, well, download it and print it. So this piece is going to be 5.5 by 8. So we are matting, and one piece is 4 3/4 by 1 1/4, and then 2 pieces that are 3/4 by 4 3/4. And then I am using this piece that's 3 by 1 1/4 for the sentiment. And the first thing we're going to do is grab my mini cut and emboss, and we are going to run some pieces through it. Actually, we should have stamped first, but we're going to do this first. We're going to just do this top piece first. All right, so I use the 1, 2, and 4. And what I'm using is this little scallop, and this is also in the Excellent Egg Bundle in the dies. And I'm just going to line this up on one side right to the top edge. We're going to run that through. And we're going to do the same on the opposite edge. And it's so cute because it's got this little stitch scallop on it. And I wanted to use something, make something with this. It's so cute. Make sure that's even up there. And then we're going to run this through. Y'all, next Sunday there will not be a video because I am going to the Stampin' Up convention next weekend and I may not have time. So if you see one, it's because I found time to do one, but it's been so busy this week. My boss is out of town and as well, so I am working really hard at work, and I am coming home and working this business, my little business here. And then we are going to go ahead and I'm going to just set this aside just for a minute, and we're going to stamp the bunny, and we're going to stamp it in Memento. While we have, I'm going to do that right there. And while we have this out, I'm going to use my VersaFine because I love the VersaFine for words. It's really, really good for that. And this is just going to go right in the center like that. So cute. There's no bunny like you. And this little bunny, I am going to color with my hoo-hoo markers, and I'm just using BR2 and R9, which is a little pink for his cheeks and his ears and his nose. But I'm just using this one color, so we're going to make him just a chocolate bunny. I'm going to do this really quickly. I'm not even going to zoom you in because it's so quick. Let's see if we can get through this video without my little girl puppy barking, because she definitely is a little barker. But she's getting better, y'all. We've been trying to train her, and she's smart. We're really trying to get her to be better. She still barks. She doesn't like the doorbell ringing. All right, so that is it. I might try to insert a picture if I can in here of her. She's so cute. I want y'all to see her. She's just so cute. She is a big girl, but she is so sweet. All right, we're going to run this through. And we'll have these all ready to go. This is a really quick one, y'all. We do have to fussy cut the flower, though. So there's that. If you're going to make a bunch, you can use your Brother Scan and Cut. I love that for a lot of things. I use it all the time, y'all, a lot more than you see. I don't want to lose my die, so let's move that out of the way. So here's our bunny and our little thing. So let's go ahead and grab that paper back, and we are going to stamp the flower and the leaves, which is just the heart that I'm using for the leaves. So I'm using Daffodil Delight, of course, because I want it all to coordinate. Whoops. So we're just doing one flower. And we're going to use the Granny Apple Green for the leaves. I always think outside the box, y'all. This makes really cute leaves. All right. So I am going to grab my little snips here, and I am going to fussy cut this, but for you, I'm going to go ahead and speed through this because you don't need to sit and watch me fussy cut. Okay, y'all, everything's cut out, ready to go. And now we're going to do our box. It's really easy. So we are going to score this, and we are going to score it on the 8-inch side at 1/2. Oh, guess what? I brought my wax paper up here. We're going to make this super easy. For those of you who don't know, it helps that your stylus glide over here so you don't get off track. So there's 1/2. 1.5, 6.5, and 7.5. Then you're going to turn it, and you're going to do 1/2, 2, 3, and 4.5. That is it. Okay, so this 1/2 inch part is the top of our box. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut these off here, right here. There's 4 like rectangles. I'm going to cut down on those. Cut those off, and on this side as well. Then you're going to cut these little edges so that folds into the box better. And then you're going to cut down on these. Cut the tops off of this one and this one. Then you can cut into these. Cut the top of these. These are just little flaps that'll fold inside your box. And then do the same on this side. Cut down on this side. Cut the tops of the smaller ones off. You can cut into these. And then cut this little flap here. And then that is what it's going to look like, just like that. All right, let's get the bone folder and sharpen all these score marks. Okay, so I'm going to just use my Stampin' Seal Plus for this, and we're going to put it on these little tabs right here. And we're going to pull that up, line those up. Make sure you line them up good. And then we're going to put adhesive on these as well. Should put it on when I have the other ones flat. It's easier. And you're going to do the same thing with this. Just line them up really nicely. And then there's your little flaps that hold the top up. And then there you go. You got your little box. Let's mat it. And I think I'm going to use my wet glue to mat this. I'm going to put this on the top. We're having thunderstorms here, so if you hear the thunder, that's what it is. And then, that's kind of why I feel like it looks dull in here. I don't know if I cut this right. It looks shorter than my last piece. Let me measure it. I do this all the time, y'all. It really messes me up. This is 3/4. Let's see, did I cut it 3/4? No, I did not. I cut it a little bit less than, well, I did. Maybe it just looks wrong. Looks different. It's starting to pour now again. It's been raining all day long. And then this one on here. I always look what time it starts pouring, and it's always like when my grandson's coming home from school. Poor kid. And then we are going to put our little sentiment we made here on here. Gonna glue it. I'm dropping everything, y'all. We're going to put our flower on. I'm going to glue down the little hearts for the leaves. These little hearts are so tiny. I wish we had a die, but it didn't have a die for these hearts that I saw. So I actually didn't even look, y'all. We may have a die for that. I'm not sure. I'm going to use a little dimensional. Put that on the back. And put our little flower here. And I am using some of my pearls. And I put a little pearl on the flower just to dress it up a little bit. It's so cute. And then we're going to pop our bunny up, but I'm using these little, I love these Baker's Twines. They're so cheerful. And I'm going to use the Lemon Lolly, and we're going to make a bow. And I'm going to use a glue dot for this bow. Put that right here. I'm going to shorten that just a hair. Grab that and another dimensional. And put that right here on top of the bow. And that is it, y'all. So easy. I'm going to grab some Reese's miniatures to show you how they fit in here just perfectly. But these are be super cute for anybody. They're so cute. You can put them up this way or the opposite way like this. You can put them upside down, but look at, they fit in there just right. And there you have it. It's done. Let me bring it up closer so you can see it. Isn't it cute? I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. If you need any supplies, I have a new March host code. Can you believe we're already in March? Y'all, where does time fly? I say this every month, but here's the host code on there. I hope you all enjoyed the tutorial, and have a blessed day, and I'll see you on Tuesday. Catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.